I'm testifying today in opposition to California's Advanced Clean Fleets regulation due to the adverse impact it will have on SEMA's 1,700 companies in California and our members throughout the United States. If the EPA grants this waiver, many of these companies' property will become devalued and they will pay higher prices to have their products delivered, with the cost of zero-emissions trucks passed on to consumers and businesses.
This legislation has been more aspirational than practical. To reduce emissions responsibly and practically, we need to allow for and accept all different forms of carbon neutral and low carbon vehicle technologies that are available today and not accept solely battery electric vehicles as compliant. We must include hydrogen ICE, synthetic e-fuels, and renewable natural gas as viable, available, and cost-effective technologies to reduce emissions for work truck fleets. Therefore, I ask that the EPA not grant California's request for the Clean Air Act waiver for its Advanced Clean Fleets rulemaking.
The rule should not dictate what to do or what to use, just what to meet, which allows great companies to create. The ACF rule disadvantages local businesses and fleet owners compared to neighboring states by forcing them to increase the number of trucks in their fleet to maintain the same level of operation. If EVs become the only option, companies might need 2 to 3 times more trucks to perform the same tasks due to driving range, time to recharge, cost of power, and the overall cost of the vehicle. This leads to a substantial increase in capital expenditures and staff needs for drivers and vehicle maintenance. My question is, how can CARB or EPA justify a rule that effectively siphons revenue from these businesses under this mask of advanced clean fleet?